I am Jeff Boico. I'm one of the co-owners and interior designers at Classic Kitchen and Bath. And this is a spa-like bathroom that we created. We handled all the design and all the implementation of it, the products.
So we came in with a really challenging project for Jeff Boico at Classic Kitchen and Bath. We were taking an area that was a closet and a bathroom and making it into a huge spa-like bathroom. We wanted to do a separate toilet area. We wanted a very large shower and a classic bathtub that would last us forever.
The shower is comprised of two different shower stations. You have the rain head coming out from the middle. And if you take a look around on this side, you'll see a main shower station. It has a lineal drain, so the water just pitches down towards the drain and it kind of encapsulates all the water, doesn't leave any puddling. There's also a seat incorporated into the bathroom for the steam shower as well. So really the goal here was to create a spa-like environment. The tub is a freestanding tub. It's a cast stone tub with a freestanding tub spout, and there's accent tile around it. We used wood planks on the floor, but we kind of skirted the tub with stone, which is also in the niche where conditioners, shampoos, or candles, glass of wine, maybe anything could be kept. Coming out, you can see that there are his and her vanities with a station in the middle for additional counter space and storage. The lighting comes straight down just as a focal point. There's overall lighting, there's general ceiling lighting, and there's also uplighting on the vanities as a night light. So if you turn the lights off when you come into the space, you can see how it's kind of just a warm night light.
When people walk into our house, they are completely floored by what they see. No one has ever seen anything like this. And it really came out magnificent. It's something that we're going to stay in this house now for the next 20 years. Love our bathroom. When we go to a hotel, nothing can compare to this.